We will now show you the SmartFix feeding principle, a frequently used liquid feeding system where feed is transported using positioning liquid. At the start of the feeding process, the circuit is filled with positioning liquid. In this animation, water is used as positioning liquid. Feed is mixed in the tank. The first ingredient is positioning liquid that is pumped into the mixing tank from the circuit. At the same time, the circuit is filled with new, fresh positioning liquid from the water tank. Then, the liquid ingredients are added from the silos, followed by the dry ingredients. The ingredients are mixed for a while to obtain a smooth and easy to transport blend. When the blend is ready, the valve under the mixing tank opens and the feed is pumped into the circuit up to the dosing out valves. At the same time, the positioning liquid returns from the circuit and is stored in the positioning tank. Based on the weight decrease in the mixing tank, the computer brings the feed to the first section to be dosed. The valves open one after another and the feed is dosed out. The correct amount of feed is dosed out into the trough, again, based on the weight decrease in the mixing tank. The feed then continues to the next section, where the following series of valves are dosed out. This process is repeated for all the sections. The mixing tank becomes empty at some time during the feeding process. The mixing tank valve closes, while the positioning tank valve opens to pump the positioning liquid into the circuit behind the feed column. At the end of the feeding cycle, the entire circuit is once again filled with positioning liquid. This means no feed is left in the circuit. This is a huge advantage, particularly regarding the strict hygiene that is so essential in liquid feeding installations. In addition, the mixing tank is thoroughly cleaned with water following each feeding cycle. The installation is now ready to prepare and distribute the next feed blend. The automatic SmartFix liquid feed installation not only saves time, but also helps you keep food costs under control. The precise mix of feed given to your animals can also be easily adapted to suit their needs and give improved performances. Today's critical consumers' demand guarantees how animals are raised. You can give them this guarantee thanks to the extensive registration possibilities offered by your feed computers, and offer them reliable, premium, quality meat.